Yeah, you remember the watercolor was in this frame here, and I tacked the two sections yesterday, and now I've just glued this corner up here and tacked it, and I'm gluing the bottom corner, and then I'll put in some other kind of graphic, and I'll put the watercolor in a new frame with glass so it looks better. So let's just pan down here. There we go. That's what I'm working on, that corner here. And we need a bit of white glue. And then a little tack. And it should be ready to go. The glue's gone thick because it's cold out here. So I'm just gonna, come on, there we go. Put a little white glue along these two sides. And tack it. Nice and carefully. I want to have good joints, I want it to look good. Make sure everything matches. Now the white looks funny there, but it actually dries clear afterwards. I usually wipe it anyways. So we're going to match this up nicely. It's being a little stubborn. And we'll see what the other corner is like afterwards again. Needs a little twist. I may have a little bit of problems with it, but not too much. That's pretty good like that, see? So I'll just tack that in with one of these little nails and let it dry. I need a pliers or something. The start of my fingers are too big. There we go. Now that's pretty good. Now if I can level this off a little here, like so. Now it needs to lift a little bit. I want that to come in like that, yeah. Maybe a little less or a little more, I don't know. It's a little bit off down the top there. Try the vice grips underneath it. See how that is. There we go. Gonna touch them up afterwards with the stain. Yeah, so here's the frame that had the watercolor, and now I put a French magazine poster with a collage around it, and it suits the frame better, the old and the old. So most I hang it up in my workshop, so there you go. Trash to treasure.